front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Xiaomi. You need to start by opening the Devices Play Store and tapping on the search bar to type in iOS Launcher. Following that, get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to choose while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow and allow. Then close your app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Tap on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Default Apps and click on Launcher. Lastly, click on iOS 1 in order to apply it. Tap on Home button and select Correct. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish though, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and choosing System Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!